In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide a layer in Canva. Let's get started by opening your design in the Canva editor. This can be any design you're working on, like a social media post, a presentation slide, or a flyer. Once your design is open, make sure you're on the page where the element you want to hide is located. Now, look at your design and click on the specific element or layer you want to hide. This could be a photo, a piece of text, an icon, or any graphic. When you select it, you'll notice a toolbar appear at the top of the editor. This top toolbar is where you'll find most of the controls you need to adjust how that element appears. The first method to hide a layer is by using transparency. With your element still selected, look for the transparency option in the top toolbar. It usually looks like a small checkered icon or is labeled transparency. Click on it and a slider will appear. Drag that slider all the way down to 0. By setting the transparency to 0, you're making that layer completely invisible, effectively hiding it from your design. The element is still there and can be selected again later, but it will no longer be visible in the final design until you increase the transparency back above 0. The second method uses the Position and Layers panel. With your element still selected, click on the Position button in the top toolbar. When you click Position, a panel will open on the left side of the screen. In this panel, switch to the Layers view. Here you'll see a list of all the elements on your page, stacked in order from front to back. Find the layer you want to hide in this list. Then, simply click and drag it downward, dropping it at the very bottom of the Layers list. By placing it behind all the preceding layers, you're essentially covering it with the other elements on your design, which hides it from view. Keep in mind that this method only works if there are other elements on top of it. If that layer is alone on the page, dragging it down won't hide it, because there's nothing in front to cover it. Those are two simple ways to hide layers in Canva: by setting transparency to 0, or by pushing the layer to the back using the Position and Layers panel.